Lawrence Robinson here, President-elect of ASBA and your Governance Committee Chair, with two updates I'd like to share that the Governance Committee is recommending that you vote on this fall.
Proposal A. With an endorsement from the ASBA Board of Directors and the ASBA Governance Committee, the ASBA Equity Committee proposes that an additional statement on equity should be added to the ASBA Core Belief Statement. Background information on this includes the additional statement will enhance ASBA's core beliefs regarding educational equity for every student. Proposal B. ASBA Governance Committee recommends that a bylaw may be amended or repealed by a majority affirmative vote of all member boards. Background information on this includes, currently, a minimum of 2/3 or 66% of all ASBA members' boards must vote in the affirmative to amend or repeal a bylaw. The proposed changes will be voted on by the membership as directed in the ASBA bylaws via the electronic voting process. Electronic voting is now open and will close at 5 p.m. on Thursday, December 6, 2018. All ASBA district member boards are strongly encouraged to exercise their ASBA membership rights and participate in voting.